Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Your iPhone has the latest iOS and Bluetooth enabled, and the Apple Watch has adequate charge. Once done, power on the watch and open the Watch app on your iPhone. Make sure you choose Pair New Watch. You'll see an animation on the watch. Hold the phone's camera over it to align the viewfinder. This camera scans speeds pairing and transfers configuration data securely, so do it steadily until the app confirms a match. Once the devices connect, you need to choose whether to set up as new or restore from a backup. Pick Restore if you want previous settings and apps. Next, sign in with your Apple ID so services like Activity and Find My Sync. Enable location and necessary watch features for accurate sensors. Then create a passcode on the watch for security and decide which apps to install now versus later. These choices shape battery use and initial experience, so pick deliberately. To finish, keep the devices close and wait for the sync to complete. The Watch app shows progress and may take several minutes depending on data. Once synced, test calls, notifications, and health sensors to verify functionality and make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are active. If something goes wrong, try restarting both devices and toggling Bluetooth. If issues persist, reset the watch and pair again, or reset iPhone network settings. This sequence resolves most pairing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.